InVideo and Fliki are two popular video editing platforms used for creating engaging and professional-looking videos. To determine which one is better in 2025, let's break down the key features and benefits of each platform. First, we'll look at InVideo, a cloud-based video editing platform that offers a wide range of templates, effects, and transitions. InVideo is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to create high-quality videos. It also offers advanced features such as color correction, audio editing, and collaboration tools. Next, we'll examine Fliki, a video editing platform that specializes in creating short-form videos. Fliki offers a variety of templates, filters, and effects, and is particularly popular among social media influencers and content creators. Fliki is also known for its ease of use and affordability. When comparing the two platforms, it's essential to consider factors such as video editing capabilities, customization options, and pricing plans. InVideo offers more advanced video editing features, including multi-track editing and keyframe animation, while Fliki excels in creating short-form videos with its pre-made templates and effects. In terms of pricing, InVideo offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans, including a pro plan and a business plan. Fliki also offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans, including a pro plan and a premium plan. Ultimately, the choice between InVideo and Fliki depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're looking for a more advanced video editing platform with a wide range of features and customization options, InVideo may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a platform that specializes in creating short-form videos and offers a more streamlined editing process, Fliki may be the better option. To get the most out of either platform, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your video editing goals and to take advantage of the tutorials and resources offered by each platform. By doing so, you can create high-quality, engaging videos that resonate with your audience.